Goal 13 is named Climate Action, and it is created to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. One of the biggest problematics we are living up to today is climate change. It is a natural process, but humans have boosted this process with all the contamination humans produce. There is no country that is not experiencing the drastic effects of climate change. Greenhouse gas emissions are more than 50% higher than in 1990. Global warming is causing long-lasting changes to our climate system, which threatens irreversible consequences if we do not act.
But what is climate change? First, you need to know the difference between climate and weather. Climate is the usual weather of a place. So climate is the weather of long periods of time. Climate can be different from season to season. A place might be warm and dry in the summer, and the same place might be cool and cold in the winter. Now that you know what is climate, according to NASA, climate change is a change in the usual weather found in a place over a long period of time. This will be a change in how much rain a place usually gets in a year, or it could be a change in a place usual temperature for a month or season.
Australia suffers from climate change and is considered the zero zone of climate change. It is estimated that by 2050 this country will not have a winter as we know it, and a new season will emerge that could be called the new summer, with high temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius. As time passes, the temperatures in Australia rise more and more. That would be the only reason for the fires in Australia. They will not be the only ones since the temperatures for Australians will continue to rise. Australia is on fire for one single reason. Earth's temperature is increasing, said by the British naturalist David Attenborough. Australia is already taking steps to contribute to climate change, and they are administering climate change programs to help reduce emissions, developing and coordinating renewable energy policy and regulation, engaging with stakeholder groups and the community, supporting businesses and industry to innovate and adapt smarter practices and technologies.
Australia government is doing their best for acting against the climate change. They are participating in the UNFCCC. Our department is leading the development of Australia's long-term emissions reduction strategy. Australia will take this strategy to the 26th United Nations Framework Convention of Climate Change Climate Summit in Glasgow in 2021, said by Australian Government 2020. National Hydrogen Strategy. The National Hydrogen Strategy outlines actions for a clean hydrogen industry that will benefit the Australian economy and help other countries transition. Through the Clean Energy Finance Corporation, the Australian government has financed thousands of clean energy projects.